Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own EL wire sign. I started out by finding a design I liked, then I drew it onto a big piece of paper. This paper is 22 inches by 28 inches. Then you'll find some sort of board that you want to put the whole thing on. For me, I'm using a bulletin board. Now take your bulletin board and your design on the paper, then take some tacks and you'll poke a hole on every, about every inch, so like there, and you'll go all the way across, making sure to do everything that you sketched out. Then if you want to take it up another level, you can cut this out and then spray paint it to the color that you want, and then you'll put them in place. As you can see, I've done that here. And then you'll take your EL wire and hot glue it around the entire thing, and then you should just be able to route all the wires under it. Now that we have everything glued, you're going to let it wait for a few days, because every now and then a few EL wire pieces could snap out of place. For example, this one broke. But then you'll take like a bag and you'll glue it on this back side, so that you can carry all this extra wire, so that you only have one wire coming down to the outlet. This is what it should look like. I just took a Ziploc bag and hot glued it onto the backside and then stored all the wires inside of it. One thing to note is usually these EL wire things will use these battery packs, and you could use two of these just because you have two colors, but instead I wanted it to be Alexa powered. So I got adapters that went from this EL wire to USB, and then I got a USB 2 to 1 adapter so that it could go to my extension cord, and then all the way over here I have an Alexa outlet over there. Now just put one of these like saw clip thingies on the back, and then put one of those hooks into the wall, and then you can hang it up. Now that it's hung up on the wall, you're going to plug it in. I prefer a white extension cord because most walls are close to white. Then you'll plug it in, and then you're going to want to tuck the wire behind this thing. Otherwise it'll look like this, and it'll be pretty visible if you keep it like this. And then once you have it tucked, if you're making it Alexa powered, you'll plug in your Alexa outlet and then get that all set up. If you're not, then you'll just plug it into your outlet and it should turn on right away. Here's what the sign looks like lit up in a very lit room. Here's what it looks like in a darker room. And then here is in a pitch black room. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.